Hello everyone. In this video, I am sharing with you CPA platforms that allow you to make passive income online in 2025. CPA platform exposed how to make passive income online in 2025. In the ever-evolving world of online income, CPA marketing has quietly emerged as one of the most profitable, beginner-friendly, and scalable ways to make passive income online in 2025. If you are tired of get-rich-quick schemes and scams and want a real way to make consistent earning, this video will expose the truth about CPA platforms and how you can use them to your advantage. Sometimes some people will say, because it is free, it is not going to be too good. Who told you that this video is free on CPA marketing does not mean it is less important or less valuable compared with those people who are collecting a large chunk of money from you for such things as this. So I am a believer in community service, and that's why I'm making this video to help you and to see that you stand out. Now, what is CPA marketing exactly? CPA stands for cost per action or cost per acquisition. Unlike traditional affiliate marketing, where you only earn after a sale, CPA pays you when users take a simple action such as filling a form, submitting an email, installing an app, signing up for a free trial. These actions are easier to get, especially when you target the right audience. Now, why CPA marketing is perfect for passive income? In 2025 and beyond, CPA is booming because no product is needed for CPA marketing. You are promoting other companies' offers. Then it is beginner friendly. Many offers don't require a sale. Then there's a global reach. You can target people worldwide. Multiple traffic options, paid ads, free traffic, blog, social media, etc. I have a specially detected secret on how to promote any product or any CPA or any affiliate link or any link on using Quora. Wow, it is great. Just look for that video or request for it. I'm going to put the link of that video and I'll send it to you. It is loaded. Even me that I know it, till tomorrow I still use it. Just that because of time, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. So I do my time. Most I don't have time. But the time I had time, I put it 1 hour per day. I was doing it. I just went to check my that link of that affiliate link. I just saw money was sitting down waiting for me there. And I've withdrawn part of the money now. So, CPA marketing also offers passive potential. You build once, e.g. YouTube video, blog posts, and then you earn repeatedly. Now, let's look at top CPA networks to join in 2025 and after. These are reputable CPA platforms with high paying offers and beginner support. Number one is Max Bounty. MAXBOUNTY. Max Bounty offers in finance, health, dating, and crypto. It has high payouts and weekly payments. Then we also have CPA Grip. CPA Grip is good for content locking and mobile offers. It's good for beginners with free traffic sources. Then we have Peerfly, if reactivated. Peerfly is having some issues currently as at the time I'm making this video, but let's see, you can check if it is reactivated. When it was still active, it was known for beginner friendliness, great UL, and offer variety. Then we also have AdWork Media. AdWork Media is excellent for international traffic, monetized tools, email submits surveys. Then we also have Click Dealer. It's great for advanced marketers. It works well with email, native, and pop traffic. Then we have OGA ads. This is good for content locking specialists, huge in mobile and gaming offers. Now, you may be wondering, wow, CPA marketing, wonderful. How then do I make passive income with CPA marketing in 2025 and beyond? I am going to tell you how in this video right away. Number one way is you have to choose evergreen offers. Choose evergreen offers. Pick offers that are always in demand, like win an iPhone, like free samples, like free trial software, like finance calculators, then like health and beauty samples. All these are offers that will always be in demand. Number two, select a traffic source. Depend on your skills and resources. So this, depending on your skills and resources, you can use free traffic. Free traffic examples, YouTube tutorials, like e.g. how to get free Netflix, content locker link. So all these you can use. Then free traffic, you can also use TikTok, short tips with CTA to link in bio. Then blogging and SEO, top 5 free weight loss apps with embedded CPA links. Then Quora, Reddit answers. Use Supply or link to landing pages. So I have videos on how you can use Quora, and that video is loaded as I've said. Then you can also use paid traffic, Facebook or Instagram ads. This must follow ad guidelines. Then push notifications, native ads, e.g. Taboola, MGID, then Google Ads for advanced users. Tips: always use a landing page to warm up traffic and avoid bans on social platforms. Create an automated funnel. Set up a basic funnel. Traffic for basic funnel like YouTube, like blog. Then landing page, collect email or redirect. Then CPA offer, use user submits info or downloads. That is what you should focus on. Then email, follow up, optional for long-term gains. I don't know how to do email marketing. Maybe I'm still going to start learning it. I have emails of people. I have where I can get the email, but I'm not just interested in learning it. Not that I don't know how to. I know the method they can use to get emails and read people and this and that. Thousands and thousands of emails. Every kind of information you need is online. All you need to do is to go there and get it. Then you use tools like Systemi.io or GetResponse for landing pages. This GetResponse have been on from the time I was young. Then you have ConvertKit or MailerLite also for email automation. Now, you need to track your results. Use tracking tools like CPV Lab. You also use Volume, VOLUM. Then you can also use BEMOB, BEMOB. This helps you identify your best performing offers, countries, devices, and keywords. Example: a passive CPA strategy. The example niche is health and fitness. The offer is free keto meal plan, CPA payout $2 per lead. Strategy: create a YouTube video, free keto meal plan that works in 2025. Use Canva for a thumbnail. Add your landing page in the description. Drive traffic and automate email follow-ups with other CPA offers. With 1,000 views a week and 10% conversion, that is 100 leads, and per week, which is $2 times 100, which is $200 per week. Monthly, you get $800 on autopilot. Now, there's a warning I need to state here. This I've just mentioned, $800 per month, is the ideal case, and you can get much more than that if you are going to put in the work and follow the steps. Now, the warning here is that CPA pitfalls to avoid. Number one CPA pitfall to avoid is promoting spammy or defective offers. Ignoring platforms' rules. This can get you banned. Then using direct affiliate links in ads or social media. Then not tracking results. Wasted traffic. That can also affect you. So once you use the traffic, go and check if it converts. If it converts, then use it more. If it does not, use like 3 different traffic sources At a point, go to Quora and promote it and see if it will do. The next one, don't promote it again. See what happens. So if it does well with Quora, more than when you don't promote it, then focus more on Quora. If it does well with Facebook ad more than Quora, then focus more on Facebook ad. You understand? So you have to monitor and track your traffic and your results. Now, is CPA marketing worth it in 2025 and beyond? Absolutely, it is worth it. CPA marketing is one of the most sustainable, scalable, and passive ways to earn online today. If you do it right, whether you are a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just looking for side income, CPA platforms offer endless opportunities. I'm telling you, with what I just said in this video, you don't need to go and pay somebody to teach you CPA marketing. Take step on this one I've done. I've given you one of the examples. Follow the steps. Follow the step. I am a teacher. I've taught in pre-primary school before. I've taught in primary school. I've taught in secondary school. I've taught in college education. I've taught in polytechnic. Now I teach in university at the highest levels. I have certificate to teach online from a university in United States of America. Now, I'm teaching you this now. Follow the steps. You don't need any other course for CPA marketing. This is all you need. If you follow these steps, you cannot miss it. Then along the line, you grow with it. This is the basic information you need. So with the right mindset, ethical promotions, and a solid strategy, you can turn simple clicks and actions into daily passive income streams. So as I've done this video, you are watching this video, I'm getting some change with 1 cent, 2 cents here and there. The more views, the more the cents. Making video about money gets you more money than making video about religion. Making video about money, making more money than making videos about comedy. People watch more of comedy, but people may watch less on make money. People that have money want to show adverts on the make money videos. My name again is Dr. Olubenga Adetitun, and I'm your host on this YouTube channel called Dr. Olubenga Adetitun YouTube channel. I make a simple boost. I don't like boosting, but I make a simple boost. If you keep coming to this channel for 6 months and you watch one video per day consistently for 6 months, and you are taking action on what you are watching, in 6 months, your life will change for good. In just 6 months, your life will change for good. You watch the video, understand it, and take action on what I said. In 6 months, your life will change for good. If your life does not change for good in 6 months, then unsubscribe for this channel and stop watching my video. Anytime you see my video, throw it out. But that means I'm not sent to you. But I know I am sent to you. I am sure I am sent to you. You can see, I'm not asking, I never ask anybody for money on this channel. Go and see all my videos. Why? I am sent to you. You in particular. Take action on my videos. Just watch one per day. Just one per day is enough. And then take action. One per day, take action. One per day, take action. In 6 months. In 6 months, your life will be transformed. For good. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share the link of this video with your family and friends. If you have questions and comments, drop it in the comment section below. I have given you value today. Go ahead and watch these other videos right from my channel. I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye-bye.